Inflation month over month spikes while gold sits level near all-time highs. Crypto holding flat while the Dow hits fresh records. Let's talk about why markets are moving today. Well, taking a look at CPI data first, we saw a major increase from July to August, moving from 0.2 to 0.4. Even if we take a look at the year over year for CPI, we saw an increase to 2.9%, all but confirming that inflation is certainly creeping back in and moving higher. Now, we add in a weak labor market here, and the data from the initial jobless claims, well, it's putting a lot of pressure here on the inflation versus employment tightrope. Again, something the Fed absolutely is watching closely. Now, gold is consolidating here just under all-time highs at about 36.30 as markets wait to see whether inflation is going to stay hot or cool. Now, if we're taking a look at silver and platinum, both saw a drop today, silver dropping to about 41.07 as traders are continuing to eye the CPI impact on real rates versus the US dollar. Now, if we're taking a look at crypto did take a little bit of a cooling off earlier today, but is currently back up, with Bitcoin currently sitting at about 114.5 and Ethereum sitting at about 44.20. Now, all this, including XRP, really depends on rate cut expectations here going forward, not to mention the Dow's run up today where we got fresh highs, all in anticipation. Since CPI just wasn't bad enough, we're all expecting that the Fed will actually drop rates. In some cases, some bets are placed as high as half a point. Now, overall, markets are balancing this risk here, this volatility between inflation and jobs data. Metals continue to look strong. Crypto's holding very well here. But what's your bet? Is it going to be gold, silver, Bitcoin, or are we going to see massive run-ups in the market? Comment down below and follow. See you at the opening bell.